Hi, this is Josie with KnitChats. Once in a while we'll be bringing you product reviews of cool knitting tools that we think would be great for your toolkit. One such product is the Easy-Peasy gauge ruler. I should mention that this is not a paid sponsorship or review. So when we measure out gauge, usually over 4 inches, we place our measuring tape, or I like to use a hard edge ruler, and we place it on our fabric to count across our stitches. This oftentimes, at least for me, can get a little challenging because my eyes tend to get crossed and the stitches start running together and I have to start over again. And I end up doing it a few times just to make sure I get a good or an accurate stitch count. Well, in comes the Easy-Peasy gauge ruler, which is a cool little tool here. I think it's made out of lucite. It's lightweight, compact enough to fit in most tool bags. But what's cool about it, it has a 2 times magnification. So when placed on your swatch, you can see how easily it is to line up your stitches. It comes marked off in 1-inch increments and 1/2-inch increments. And look how nice and clear those stitches appear. So it's now easy to count your stitches across 4 inches to get a good and accurate gauge. If you'd like to purchase this product, we are offering them for a short time online at knitchats.com. If you have any questions, feel free to email me directly at josie@knitchats.com. Thank you and happy knitting!